And what do you recommend people wear? Like, should people dress formally going into court?
Always dress formally. Always dress like you're going for a job interview, yeah, for sure. It always amazes me. Judges are like you or me, they're judges. They do judge you unconsciously on your attire. If you turn up to court wearing t-shirts, runners, jeans, it shows two things. Number one, you're not really serious. And number two, it shows a little bit of disrespect for the court. And they don't like that. Okay, they don't like that. There's enough people come into court every day dressed in tracksuits or who don't care without you being that person too. If you want to have credibility with the court, if you want them to believe you, you should dress like a person who they should believe.
If somebody contacts you who's been charged with drink driving or drug driving, talk us through the process. What happens between you and that person?
Well, first of all, I ask them, have they been charged or not? If they have been charged, then there's a date coming up quite soon, in the next 30 days, where we're going to have to get someone into court and to get the case adjourned. Every case that comes into court is adjourned for about 6 weeks to 8 weeks, 6 or 8 weeks, because every drink driving and drug driving case involves a number of guards, statements take a while to put together, documentary evidence, all that kind of stuff, and that won't be delivered on the first day in court. It'll take a couple of weeks. So when you come in on the first day, and it's adjourned for about 8 weeks, in between those two dates, the statements should be sent to your solicitor in that time. So the first thing you do is to find out, have they been charged. If they have, then you got to get court organised straight away. In truth, guards almost never make a mistake when it comes to the statute of limitations. Because when I was in a job, that was one thing that was burned into your head. If you messed up on a drink driving or a drug driving case or a serious case because of the statute of limitations, you'd be writing on that one till the cows come home. Like, they would never let you forget that one. You'd be in trouble. So the statute of limitations is something that's always at the front of your mind. You don't forget that. So in truth, they almost never miss the statute.
Do people lie in court?
Yeah.
Do guards lie?
Yeah. Some do. Most don't. Most don't. Any of the ones that I would have hung around with or worked with in my time didn't, but we always knew some that would, yeah. They would. They will why they do it is any number of reasons. They'll rationalize it in their own head. I know this person's guilty, so I know it's true. So I have to do what I have to do to make sure that result is achieved no matter what. Some think that way. That's a minority, but the majority wouldn't do that. And the majority are quite fair in court. But there is a minority of them who have no problem. They will lie like birds sing. No issue at all.